I'm gonna start panning on the guns. I'm gonna come to you and be like, everyone, like, I'm gonna show you how our modded Nerf guns fire. You know, the power of our modded Nerf guns.
Our modded?
Modded.
Okay.
Because they fire bullets.
What's up, everyone? We're about to show you the power of our modded Nerf guns. Yeah. Fools.
Is it a lot?
Yeah, do you like that?
Oh, give me one.
Don't hit the prop. Don't do what? That can just exploded. Yeah, that or the lemon.
Take one down.
Are you recording?
Yeah. God damn it.
Hit the can. How do you feel about hitting that can?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Take the third try. A little disappointing though.
Alright, stand like we did when we did our government video.
No, more like this over the shoulder, like right here. So kind of stand right here, and like over the shoulder, so I can get you both in the snow. Okay. Move over a little bit to your right. Not right. A little more to your right. All right. Perfect. Is there a way you can remember that spot?
Using nature as our set spots for our
nature is your ally. What we're gonna do is we're gonna all like make it one shot from the Nerf guns to the point, like the bullet. You talking about the bullet? As you're walking, talk about the bullet and set up right there.
Okay.
And then I want you to wait about like 3 seconds and then make like a jolt like you just fired.
Okay, so I'm gonna say exactly what I did over there, but walking. So like, what's up, everyone? We're about to show you the power of a
No, you're gonna say that right there, and then you're gonna walk and talk about the bullet. And then you're gonna load
What
it
did I
up.
say about the bullet?
Like it's all like we're using these hollow point bullets today. They're very deadly.
Hollow point bullets. Kill anyone you want on impact.
Perfect. Just improv it.
What's up, everyone? Today we're about to show you the power of our modded Nerf guns. Follow me. These hollow point bullets we got right here. Deadly. Kill anyone you want upon impact.
So he's got a can of dry ginger ale down there. He's gonna fire. We'll just set this up for a second. 1 moment. Right. And when you're ready.
Eagle.
You're on them. Actually, perfect. Except can you
Smile.
can you move the gun
No smile.
angle more to your right so I can see more? So lower down your right elbow a little bit. Right there. That's exactly what you want.
There?
Yeah, maybe a little more to the right. You're done.
Perfect. Exactly like that.
Okay.
And don't move my head over with it.
Don't move your head over. Okay. Perfect. Let's do this again.
And that's how it goes.
That's what we're
Down it goes.
Alright, now don't
Yeah.
leave that there. Oh, you shot that. Alright.
Get you a better look. Uh-huh. Oh yeah.
Is that why?
Damn clouds. Ruining everything. Oh, here comes the sun. Clouds are ruining everything.
I know. It's payback for that perfect rain timing on the last video.
Now, keep in mind this is only for professionals. So let me go ahead and demo it for you. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, so these are two
One looks
cans.
better.
Hold on.
Oh. Yeah, kind of ripped through both of them.
Look at that exit hole.
What's up?
This one doesn't really have one. This is just kind of cut
Just
clean through. Okay.
That's it for today.
Oh, is it good?
Yeah. Let's see what I got. Hopefully it'll be
That
up.
needs to be ready by tomorrow.
It'll be done by tonight.
Okay. Really? You suck.
God, you suck. You want to try again?
Yeah, I
So you
do.
can suck some more? No.
Yeah, you suck too.
That's my word. Hey, I got it at the
Lizard.
before.
You know who this guy is? This is it's Eagle.
Hi, Eagle.
Yeah. Say hi to Eagle, everybody.
Hi, Eagle.
Oh my God. That's number 3.
One more. I could hit it earlier.
We're wasting so much fruit.
Yeah, I think we should be done with that.